Aging settings only appear for aging reports in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online contains both summary and detail aging reports for both accounts payable and accounts receivable. To quickly find aging reports in QuickBooks Online, type Aging into the Type Report Name Here search field at the top of the Standard Reports page, and then select the desired aging report from the drop-down that then appears. To change the date as of which to view aging data in QuickBooks Online, select a date from the Report Date and/or As Of drop-downs in the Report Customization Settings section above the report. To view advanced aging report settings, click the Customize button in the Report Customization Settings section above the report, and then expand the Aging section in the Customize pane. The aging settings are the same for both accounts payable and accounts receivable, but the minimum days past due setting only appears for aging detail reports. To choose which date to use for the method to determine aging, select either the Current or Report Date option button for the aging method setting. To set the number of days in each aging period, select either the Fixed Periods or Custom Ranges toggle switch. If you select Fixed Periods, then enter the number of days into the Days per Aging Period field, and enter the number of aging periods to show within the report into the Number of Periods field. To specify the minimum days past due to show in aging detail reports, type a number into the Minimum Days Past Due field. Alternatively, to define custom aging periods, if you select the Custom Ranges option, enter the number of days to set within each aging period range by changing the last day number for a range, which then sets the starting day number for the next range. To delete an aging period you don't need, click the X button at its right end. To add more aging period ranges, click the Add Another Range link under the existing periods. To delete all the aging period ranges, click the Clear All Ranges link under the list of ranges. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.